Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to make an object follow a path. So first, let's just delete everything and then press Shift A and then get in a UV sphere and then press G, Z to bring it up along the axes and then press Shift A again and then you see curve and then make a path. And now to better see your path, press 1 on your number pad and then you could see this like yellow thing. That's your path. Okay, now scale it up and then press tab and you could start editing. Okay, so when you press tab, or you can just go here and press edit mode. Okay, but I'm just going to use tab because since it's a hotkey or shortcut. Okay, and now select one of these vertices here and then press E. Okay, and now you can just get creative, just do whatever you want. Okay, that's good. And now you select your ball and then you go to constraints, click add object constraints and then click on follow path, click on target and then click on NURBS path and then say animate path and then press play. And that's how you make a path in Blender.